Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy, healthy and quick Indian style chana vegetable stir fry. To make chana vegetable stir fry, I have about half cup of boiled chana, 1 medium sized chopped onion, 1 medium sized carrot grated, 1 medium sized tomato chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 sprig of curry leaves, about 2 sprigs of coriander leaves and 3 green chilies finely chopped. Increase or decrease according to your taste. I have already heated an iron pan and into that I am adding in 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in half teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. Once the cumin seeds splutters, I am adding in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of ginger chopped. Now just give this a stir, and once the ginger and garlic starts to brown, I am adding in half of the chopped onion, green chilies, fresh curry leaves, and now give this a stir. And allow the onions to turn light pink in color. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and now give this a stir and lightly roast it for a few seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. And now add in the grated carrot, give it a mix, add in the chopped tomato, mix it very well. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and now mix it well. Add in the boiled chana and mix it really well. Now you can mash the chana lightly. Once the chana is nicely mixed and coated with the spices, switch off the flame. Just before serving, I am sprinkling in half teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, half of the chopped onion and chopped coriander leaves. And my easy and quick chana vegetable stir fry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.